Good evening, my fellow scientists. It is Tuesday, November 28th, 2017, and I want to talk about a seminar that we got to see here at the University of Idaho today by Kevin Cash, not the baseball player, the scientist. He came and gave a talk on biosensors that are embeddable in tattoo ink, or a form of tattoo ink, where they looked at using tiny nanoparticles that change their fluorescence properties in order to indicate the presence of things like lithium. So the particles would become a different color if there's lithium there, as opposed to when there's not. And as a consequence, they could monitor the amount of lithium that was in the body of a mouse based on the color of its tattoo, which that sounds like amazing science fiction. I think it's the beginning of some really neat new technology to come, where instead of having even, say, a dipstick or a finger prick blood assay, you could have a continuous monitoring system where, just like the little clippies they put on your finger to monitor blood oxygen, you could have a tiny tattoo that could interface with a little optical sensor, and that would then report the concentration of any number of interesting biomolecules, even things like what I'm interested in, which is cytokines or inflammatory signals that are emitted by different immune cells, depending on inflammation due to injury or infection, any other healing process. So bottom line, I think that biosensor-based implanted and tattooed sensors are going to be a really interesting technology to watch. I was excited to see the seminar. I will put up more information on the subject as time goes forward and as I have time to digest some of these articles. A bit of a preview tonight because I'm just a little too tired to dig into this sort of thing, but I'm excited about it after this seminar, and I'm looking forward to putting up a couple of vlogs on the subject of biosensor tattoos, because I just think that's a really clever direction. So if you like that kind of thing, please tune in Monday through Friday. We talk about all kinds of chemistry and biochemistry, biotechnology, science in general that I find amusing right here in the Allen Lab.